Do you know what we call an engine misfire? So this is what it feels when your engine is misfiring. So what do you mean by an engine misfire? This is a situation when your engine cannot completely burn the air fuel mixture to produce the force required for the car to move, and it's brought up by many factors, from a faulty spark plug, ignition coils, and so on. If you plug your scan tool, you'll get codes from P0300 for the random misfire, and P0301 to 308 for misfires in the specific cylinders 1 to 8. So if you ever hear a vibration like that sort, your car is not possessed, but it's probably experiencing a misfire.